I dag er jeg blevet valgt ind i en bevægelse, som blandt andet tæller bødler og bedrager. En af dem hedder Rasana Talentbo General. Han har stået i spidsen for en dødspatrulje i Elfenbenskysten. Det jeg gerne vil høre, det er, om kunne lide på at invitere ham ind til middag.
Altså, igen, som jeg sagde den forleden dag, at jeg kan ikke kommentere på enkelte personer her i udsendelsen.
Did you enjoy shaking the right hand of former IOC President Samaranch? And you talked about values. What values do you think you'll be able to derive from a man who still thinks the wrong side won World War II and that fascism is a wonderful way to run a society? What will you learn from him? Please.
You have a lot of cues in that one.
Do it again.
No.
Oh.
No, I'm young and I understand what you're talking about. I think it's a privilege to be part of the Olympic family. I'm not going to comment individually on every single soul in the IOC.
Did you enjoy shaking his right hand was the question I asked you and you haven't answered it. I think a lot of people would like to know. Fascism is not that popular around the world. I'm sure you know that.
And I said, I'm not going to comment on...
Why won't you comment? Why not? It's a
person.
major issue at the IOC that was led for 21 years by a man doing, you know what I'm doing. And you have no comment, you have no opinion, and you have no problem with his values.
Not at this point.
You have no problem.
I didn't say I didn't have a problem. I said I'm not going to comment further on this question. Thank you.
Jeg opfatter en af de ting, der har været kritik, som er blevet beskrevet i artikler og senest i en bog, det er den handling, de var igennem i dag, hvor de udtalte den olympiske ed. Det er nogle steder blevet tolket i forhold til statsret og så videre, som at i virkeligheden hægter den på en magt eller en regel, som ligger over grundloven. Hvad er deres egen tolkning af den olympiske ed, og hvordan ligger den i deres verden i forhold til det danske kongehus og Bornholm?
Jamen altså, jeg kan godt gentage lidt det, synes jeg sagde før, som jeg synes, jeg ikke have gået den her vej og stået her i dag, hvis ikke at jeg kunne der var fuld overensstemmelse mellem det, jeg påtager mig om den politiske neutralitet.